Take down the other points under methods of conservation. I'll be explaining to you later on. Terrace farming. Strip cropping. Contour ploughing. Construction of dams. Now, terrace farming, strip cropping, contour ploughing. All these three are methods which are practiced where the slope of the land is very steep. Terrace farming simply means cutting the side of the hill in this form. Cutting steps. So the speed of water will be lessened, rate of erosion will be less. Strip cropping, along the slope of land, alternate layers of land, narrow strips are cultivated with one set of crops. Clear? Farming is difficult there. In between areas, something else may be grown, any other plant, even grass can be grown, simply to protect the soil. Contour ploughing, note down, ploughing of the land according to the height. Ploughing of the land according to the height. And this also prevents the speed of water, therefore the rate of erosion decreases. Lastly, when we are constructing dams, we are preventing floods. And less floods means less soil erosion. So, we have concluded the points. You may be having problems with some of these terms. You will be preparing definitions for these terms. That is my assignment for today's class. For these new terms, take the help of the book and write their definitions. Again, where you have a difficulty, I will be explaining it to you. One last thing that I need to mention. The last page of the chapter, there are some schemes which the government has already put into practice. Please note down those schemes. I will shorten the schemes as much as possible for you. The first one, write down. The first scheme, these have already been implemented or put into practice. That is integrated watershed management. You just need to learn the names of these schemes. The second is development of ravines. Ravines are like very rough area. Ravines and badland regions. Third is development of biofertilizers. Plus biopesticides. The fourth point, note down. Putting an end to shifting cultivation. Shifting cultivation are practiced by very primitive farmers. They keep moving from place to place. Okay? This is your fourth point, and the last one is developing rainwater harvesting. So these are the 5 schemes which the government has put into practice. You have to remember the names of these schemes. That's where I end the chapter. There are certain parts which need to be dealt with through question answers, And before I move into the new chapter, I will be once again going through the map of this soil resources chapter, as well as certain reasoning questions. Thank you.